See, design is a very young profession. Design evolved out of the arts and crafts movement in the West, and then it was intrinsically nurtured by architects in Europe. So our Bauhaus school, the basis on which design education in NID is taught, is basically European in nature, and institutions like NID have been looking at all about what is the Indian contribution to design, and there's a lot of questioning which has incessantly gone on over the years, and it's an evolving practice. It's a very young practice, and yes, it has to move at a very, very great speed, yeah, because design has to cover, you know, the sleekest, smartest, contemporary, mass-produced merchandise, which is constantly changing, and at the same time you've got to look at value systems, you've got to look at social change, and so it's a huge spectrum. The only thing I can say about institutes of design is that design as a profession is what institutes of design represent, and these professions or these institutions can actually only evolve based on how much practicing designers contribute. I would not say so much through teaching, but also in terms of feedback and relevance, you know. So because design is such a young profession, and because designers have struggled a lot, other than your front end niche of fashion designers in this country, design has been struggling to find its niche. Therefore, I feel that a lot of experienced practitioners, even someone like me, we are unable to give back to the profession, to give back to the institutions who nurtured us. I think we are quite justified in that, because it's important we make our mark first before we can go back and prematurely preach about something. Yeah? So I would still say that the evolution of design in India is quite incomplete. I think it needs another 10 to 20 years for it to really find its own feet, and it should be Indian in nature. We don't have to be about Japanese design, Korean design, German design, Chinese design. It has to be about what is Indian design, and that I think will still take some more time. And this is not just about its cosmetic value, because the cosmetic value of Indian design everybody knows. Yeah, it's not that. It's about the more deeper value systems that Indian design needs to have.